When you have never grown a vegetable or a flower or anything for that matter, you don't know what the seedling looks like or what you should be looking for. When something finally pops out of the ground, you don't know if it's your plant or if it's a weed. So I'm going to show you some seedlings. These are baby tomatoes. They'll produce 2 leaves, kind of pointy, fuzzy, just 2 very long, soft pair of leaves. As it starts to grow, the leaves are going to get more jagged. The stem will be very fuzzy with tiny little roots. The leaves will still be kind of soft and develop those intricate patterns that you see. These are baby peppers. Their leaves are easily identifiable because they will be very pointy, 2 very long, pointy set of leaves. As it grows, the leaves will still have that pointy kind of teardrop shape, and they have kind of like a plastic feel, like just very smooth. Now this seedling is any plant in the like melon, gourd family, zucchini, squash, watermelon, cucumbers, anything in that area. This is what the seedlings are going to look like. These 2 egg-shaped set of leaves. And these grow quickly. This is what it'll look like the day after it sprouts. They grow big and fast. This is specifically a zucchini though. This is what it should look like once it starts to grow. Dark green, the leaves are more of a triangle shaped, and the stems are kind of pokey. These are baby zinnias, just very big round leaves. This is baby basil. The first set of leaves will be these little half circle ones you see, and then it starts to develop the really darker, more circular leaves growing in the middle. Baby marigolds have leaves that kind of remind me of tomatoes, but they are much more jagged. This is what potato leaves look like, which are like the most beautiful in my opinion. They are a super dark green, and the foliage is just super bushy. Those are just a few examples of things I've personally grown. I remember being a new gardener and just having no idea what to look for when something green popped out of the ground or out of my pot. I didn't even know if it was the correct thing, because sometimes weeds get in your pots and then you don't even know if it's healthy or what a healthy plant is supposed to look like. And then you end up trying to Google what the plant looks like, but I feel like nobody takes good pictures of the plant. It'll be like super up close in the leaves. Like I never knew what the full plant was supposed to look like, if that makes any sense. So I just wanted to give some examples on what healthy seedlings for some varieties of vegetables look like.